You are going to love the 2022 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.